Hello traders, welcome once again to the channel. In this video, as usual, I'll show you how to trade with support and resistance levels on a key option platform. So I've done a call option because now we have a level of support and resistance at this point. That's our level of support and resistance. The market is in a downtrend, but we are getting a bullish hammer candlestick pattern here. Our next level is still far, that's why I did a call option on that trade. Again, I'll do a call option because this is our target area. We are not yet touched the level, so let's wait and see how this candle will behave. It will give us a direction on how to take our trade. So very strong downtrend market. So if you can get a good candlestick pattern on the level, you can take our trade. So I'll wait for an entry point on the level. Very strong downward movement. So this is where we need to concentrate at now. I could not take this trade because we had not yet touched our level, so it was a risky trade for me. I need to have a good candlestick pattern or a good level of support and resistance for me to take my trade. And because this market is in a downtrend, if you break below this area, it can be a good sign. So I need an entry point on the level. Don't know why the market has given me this entry point, but I wanted that entry point on this area. So this is not a good entry point. I wanted this entry point, but by bad luck, the market gave me a lower entry point. So let's wait. So I need an entry point, at least on the level, for me to take a trade, just to be on the safe side. So no entry point on the level. Despite the market closing above this week, I wanted an entry point on the level. As you can see here, you have a whole number. It is 1.02150. So it might change the trend. So you just need to be patient and wait for the market. You can see now a rejection from our area, but you cannot take a trade now. We need to see if the market will break this level or close below this level for us to take a trade. So with this strategy, we need to be very patient. We need to be very patient. So the market has broken the area very strongly. So I've seen the potential of buyers to move more higher. That's why I'm doing a call option. So this live candle tried to break this area. Despite the rejection, it tried as much as possible to break this area. So I anticipate that the buyers who are present here will push more higher to our level of support and resistance. So you can see the buyers are pushing more higher. Let's wait and see how this candle will close. So they have closed in between the level of support and resistance. So in this situation, you just need to wait, see if you have a breakout or not. So I'll explain these other trades. I did a call option here because we had a minor level of support and resistance. The market came to this minor level. After that, we formed a hammer candlestick pattern. Then the market continued moving more higher. So I did a call option on that trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because I expected the market to move more higher after this bullish candlestick pattern. So I saw a rejection on the live candle. I went ahead to do a call option because our next level was still a bit far. So we won that trade despite us closing bearish. We won that trade. This other trade, I did a put option because we broke this minor level of support and resistance with a very strong bearish candle. Then after that, we saw a rejection on the live candle. So this shows us that the market will move more down at least for 1 minute. That's why I did a put option. On this other trade, I did a call option because I saw a very strong bullish candlestick pattern trying to break this level of support and resistance. Though our main level is here, so I anticipated that the buyers would push more higher. That's why I did a call option on that trade. So if you can close below this area, you can again take a put option if you get an 80 point on the level. So you just need to analyze your trades and know your candlestick psychology for you to be able to take the trades with support and resistance levels and be successful. So if you are interested in our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. I'll give you more details on how to join our training program. You need also to practice hard for you to understand this strategy, because you need to gain the skill and it doesn't come in a short time. You need to practice hard for you to gain the skill. So keep watching the other videos for you to understand more on the strategy of support and resistance. Comment, like, and share the videos, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Stay safe, and bye-bye.